See, in book number 8, on page number 20. Write down the date first. It is 11th February 21, right? Now, words with O. Today we will learn O vowel sound. Vowel O makes the sound as in the following words. See, O says O, orange. O, ostrich. O, ox. O, octopus. O. Read aloud the words with vowel O. Let's add OB. OB says ob. Now, ka, ob, cub. Sa, ob, sub. Let's add OD. Pa, odd, pod. Ra, odd, rod. Let's add OG. OG says og. D, og, dog. F, og, fog. J, og, jog. L, og, log. Add OP. OP says up. H, up, hop. M, up, mop. P, up, pop. T, up, top. Let's add OX. OX says ox. B, ox, box. F, ox, fox. Let's add OT. Ut. T, ut, cut. H, ut, hut. P, ut, pot. Let's add OY. Oi. B, oi, boy. T, oi, toy. Okay, now please turn the page. Match the pictures to the correct words. Now you can see many pictures on this page. So we have to match them with the correct word. Now what is it? Box. You have to pronounce box. Now match it with the spelling. Fox. It's here. Cob. Rod. Now see on the next side. It's top. Bed. Cot. Dog. Pot. Okay, so kids, please complete your pages in this way. See you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care.
Hello kids, Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning. Book number 8, page number 40. Today our topic is regarding bigger and smaller numbers. Come on, we will go on the first table. We have to circle on the bigger number. So, which number is big? We'll see. Okay kids, which number is bigger? There is two numbers. Okay kids, so 6 and 4. Which one is bigger? 6 or 4? 6. Okay, so circle on 6 number. Now next table. Which number is smaller? There is two numbers, 5 and 9. So which one is small number? 5. So circle on 5 number. Now in the third table, which number is bigger? There is again two numbers, 10 or 2. So which one is bigger? 10. So circle on 10. Which number is smaller? 1 or 2? Which one is small? 1. So circle on 1. Which number is smaller? There is 8 and 2. So which one is small number? 2. Which number is bigger? 7 or 1? Which one is bigger? 7. So circle on 7. Which number is smaller? Number 3 or 4? 3. So circle on 3. Which number is bigger? 8 or 9? 9. So circle on 9. Now move on the second page. Page number 41. Circle the bigger number in each pair. Okay kids, see, in the first table there is two number, 3 and 5. So which one is bigger number? 5. So circle on 5. In the next table, 6 or 1. Which one is bigger number? 6. So circle on 6 number. In the third table, there is 10 or 9. So which one is bigger number? 10. So circle on 10, right? Next table, 24 and 45. So which one is bigger? 24 or 45? 45, right? So circle on 45. In the next table, there is 39 and 21. So which one is bigger? 39. So circle on 39. Next table, there is 5 or 9. Which one is bigger number? 9. So circle on 9. There is 36 and 33. So which one is bigger? 36. So circle on 36. There is 22 and 38. So which one is bigger number? 38. Right. So circle on 38. And this is your homework. Okay kids. Now move page number 42. See 42. Or in this page we have to circle on the smaller number. Okay. See, there is 3 and 5. So 3 is 5. 3 is small. Sorry. 3 is small number. So circle on 3. Now, in the second table, there is 23 and 48. So which one is smaller number? 23. So circle on 23. Then 31 and 13. So which one is bigger and which one is smaller? 31 is bigger and 31 is smaller. So circle on 31. And next table, there is 9 and 10. So which one is smaller? 9 or 10? 9. So circle on 9. Then 42 and 24. Which one is smaller? 24. So circle on 24. Then next table, 19 and 16. See, which one is smaller? 19 or 16? 16. So circle on 16. Then 4 and 7. So which one is smaller? 4. Circle on 4. Then last table, there is 10 or 8. Which one is smaller? 8. So circle on 8. And this is your homework. Okay kids, do practice at home. Thank you. Bye bye. In the same book, page number 43. See kids, there are 3 exercises. After, between, before. In the first table we'll see, write the numbers that come after the given numbers. Our first exercise is after number. See, this is 23. So what come after 23? 24. We have to write after numbers. Okay. Now this is in the second table. 31. 31 after 32. So write 32. Then 9. 9 after 10. 46 after 47. Now in the second exercise, write the numbers that come between the given numbers. Okay. Now we have to write between numbers 47 and 49. So we have to write between number. What number will come between 47 and 49? 47 after 48. So this is between number. Okay. Now this is 28. 28 after 29. Then 30. So this is between number 29. 28, 29, 30. Now there is 11 dash 13. So 11 after 12 will come. Okay. So 11, 12, 13. Then 33. 33 after which number come? 34. 33, 34, 35. Now our next exercise is write the numbers that come before the given numbers. See, there is 10. So what will come before 10? 9. Before 29, 28. Before 38, 37. Before 45, 44. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 44. Write the numbers that come before and after the given numbers. See, there is 12 is given. So we have to write before number, then after number. 12 before, 11 will come. 12 after, 13. So 11, 12, 30. Then 20. 20 before, 19. 20 after, 21. Then 18. 18 before, 17. Then 18 after, 19. Then next 36. Before 36, 35. Then 36 after, 37. Then 49. Before 49, 48. 49 after, 50. Then next one, 9. Before 9, 8 will come. And 9 after, 10. Then 30. 30 before, 29. 30 after, 31. And last one, 27. 27 before, 26. And 27 after, 28. Okay, kids, do practice at home. Thank you. Bye bye.